Body filler sanding is all about creating the correct shape first, then refining it step by step. Following a proper process not only improves surface quality, but builds a foundation for the rest of the repair. Start with proper surface preparation and shaping. Begin by removing old paint using 80 grit with an orbital sander or a die grinder equipped with a stripping wheel. Apply body filler in thin, even coats and allow it to fully cure according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Applying a guide coat is strongly recommended as it helps clearly identify high and low spots in the repair area. For shaping, use a single action orbital sander connected to a dust extraction vacuum. Choose a tool size appropriate for the panel being repaired. Using 120 grit, sand with smooth, overlapping passes, avoiding hard stops or abrupt changes in direction. Continue sanding until the correct shape is achieved. Once shaping is complete, move to a dual action sander and keep it connected to a dust extraction vacuum to improve abrasive life and maintain a cleaner work environment. The goal of this step is to remove the deeper sanding marks left from shaping. Refine the surface using 180 grit. A foam interface pad can be used to help the abrasive conform to the panel and create a more consistent scratch pattern. Continue sanding until all previous marks are fully replaced. With each refinement step, slightly expand the sanding area to properly feather the repair into the surrounding panel. Further, refine the surface using 240 grit. This is typically the final sanding step before applying high build primers such as polyester or spray-on body filler. At this stage, the surface should be smooth, evenly shaped, and properly leveled. When preparing for standard urethane primers or sealers, refine the surface one step further using 320 grit. Continue sanding until all previous sand marks are completely removed, ensuring the surface is ready for primer application. By following a structured sanding process, shaping first, refining gradually, and matching grit selection to the primer system, you'll achieve better surface quality, reduce rework, and create a more efficient repair workflow.